Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video. If you're thinking about buying the Xiaomi electric scooter for Go, like what are the important cons of it that you need to know? So the first thing, and this is like going to be, it has solid tires, not pneumatic. So this is important, really important, because the riding is not going to be so enjoyable if you in a moment gonna not be on a solid ground, but there is going to be a little bit of hole there, you're just gonna feel it. Again, you cannot fold it. This is another thing. This is not like you're gonna like you put it like here and then you're gonna carry it. No, 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 no. You can't fold it. This is really important. Front and rear, you have only 8.1 run flat tires, which are not pneumatic. It would be insane. Max incline is only 10%. IP rating IPX4, which is water resistant, not dust resistant. Rated capacity only 165 Wh, so the battery is not that amazing. And the last thing is the travel range is 18 kilometers, and many people report when I like researched it, it didn't even get to the 18 kilometers. So just be aware that this is like these are the two important things. You cannot fold it, and it has the solid tires but not pneumatic. Therefore, it is not worth getting. Like no, because of these two things. So yeah, look for the next product. Have a great day and goodbye.